Hello everyone. So in today's lecture, we are going to discuss King Lear. It is one of the important tragedy of William Shakespeare. As you all know, William Shakespeare is a great dramatist and he wrote many tragedies. And this tragedy is one of the important tragedies. The full title of this tragedy is The Tragedy of King Lear. If you see, The Tragedy of King Lear, and the genre is tragedy. What does it mean? Tragedy mean? Tragedy means where we see sorrowful events and also human suffering. In tragedy, protagonist suffers more than he deserves, in which hero suffers more than he deserves. Tragedy's main motto is of catharsis. What is catharsis? According to Aristotle, purification of soul. Like it purify our soul. When we see tragedy, we know how to not act also. Like we should learn from the characters. That is tragedy. Okay. Setting of this play is Venice and the neighboring country of Belmont. Protagonist is King Lear, Cordelia, Edgar, and Gloucester. These are the characters of the play. This play is written in 1605. You have to remember the date, 1605. And antagonist of this play is Regan, Goneril, and Edmund. These are the characters. So I am going to show you the characters map. Then you will know the characters more deeply. So King Lear is the main character of this play. If you know, King Lear is the mythical king in Middle Ages, and here we see King Lear, a character who is the protagonist of this play. He has three daughters. Goneril was the eldest, Regan was the second daughter, and Cordelia was the youngest daughter of King Lear. These are the three daughters. Goneril is married to Albany. She is married to Albany. Regan is married to Cornwall, and Cordelia is married to King of France. You will see Cordelia marriage in this play. The first act, scene one, in that we see these things happen. I will discuss that also. And the character Earl of Kent, who is also known as Cash. Wait, wait a second. Okay, Cash. Why I will call him Cass or Cash? Because he disguised as a Cash. Okay, this is a name. And Fool, who is also served to King Lear. Kent is also loyal to uh, King Lear, and Fool is the one who says harsh truth to King Lear without any hesitation. This is the main plot of this play, and these are the characters of the play. But there is a subplot also. The subplot is Earl of Gloucester, who is also loyal to King Lear, and he has two sons. Like King Lear has three daughters, he has two sons. One is legitimate, who is a legal child, Edgar, who is also disguised as Poor Tom. That's why I wrote Poor Tom slash. And bastard son is Edmund, who was illegitimate son. And Edmund character is also villainous character. If you see in previous slide, I will discuss the antagonist. The name of Edmund was present there. Okay. So now we are going to discuss the timeline of events. These are the characters. You have to remember the name of the characters. And one more character, Oswald, was a steward, and he is loyal to Goneril. How he treat King Lear, it is also important. And there you see romantically involved. Goneril is romantically involved to Edmund. Regan is also romantically involved to Edmund. How we see that they want to marry Edmund, and if you see the play, when develop the play, it will happen like they will fight for Edmund, Regan and Goneril. So now we are going to discuss the timeline of the events. So first of all, what happens? I will tell. King Lear, as you see, King Lear is the main character, and Lear was an old man. When he was dividing that his kingdom, he was an old man. Now he want to release from the burden. That's why he want to divide his kingdom among his three daughters, Goneril, Regan, and Cordelia.